In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook password if you forgot it. This walkthrough is designed to help you recover your password safely and quickly using tools already on your device. Only use these methods for your own account. First, check your device's built-in password manager. Close the Facebook app so you're not switching back and forth. On an iPhone, open the Passwords app. You'll usually find it in the Utilities folder, or you can pull down on the home screen and search for passwords. On many other devices, open Settings and use the search bar to look for Password or Password Manager. Once you're in your Password Manager, use the search box and type Facebook. Choose the Facebook entry that matches your account. Your device will ask you to authenticate with Face ID, fingerprint, or your passcode. After that, tap the password field or the eye icon to reveal the saved password. If you see multiple entries, check the usernames or dates to pick the most relevant one. If you don't find it there, try Google Password Manager, especially if you use Chrome or an Android device. Open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top right and select Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab, then scroll until you see Password Manager. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page and type Password Manager to jump straight there. In Password Manager, tap Search and type Facebook. If a Facebook login is saved, select it. You'll be prompted to verify your identity with your Google account password. Once verified, tap the eye icon to reveal the password. If you use more than one Google account, repeat these steps for each one. Your password might be saved under a different profile. If neither option works, reset your Facebook password. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu button, which appears at the bottom right or top right, depending on your device. Tap the gear icon to open Settings and Privacy, then select Account Center at the top. Go to Password and Security, choose Change Password, and select your Facebook account. Then tap Forgotten Your Password and follow the on-screen instructions. Facebook will guide you through verification and let you set a new password without needing the old one. Once you're back in, save your new password to your password manager so this doesn't happen again. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.